In this tutorial, you will see how to make this beautiful slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you make this kind of eye-catching slide, your audience will be amazed. So to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Now go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here and make sure it covers the whole slide. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Go to Shape Fill, make it white fill color. Now I have to again go to Insert, go to Shape and I have to pick a text box and drag it over here. Now let me write here V and choose a bold font. I am using Arial black font and increase the font size and increasing it and keep it like this. Now I have to go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here and let me write here vegetable. Let me write it over here, choose another bold font. I am choosing lemon milk, make it center, increase the size. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick another text box and drag it over here and write your description here. I am using some demo text here and change the font if you want and make it justified and keep it like this. Now click on right button, make another 2 duplicate slide. Now go my first slide. Now I have to insert a video. Go to Insert, go to Videos, click on Stock Videos and let me choose the vegetable video. Let me click on over here and click on Insert. And here click on the video, go to Playback and make it automatically. And click on right button and send it to back. Now I have to select the rectangle shape and hold down the Ctrl key and select the V, actually the text box. Go to Shape Format, go to Marge Shape and click on Subtract and select the shape. Go to Shape Effect, go to Shadow and make it inside center, and this one is perfect. Now go my second slide. Let me change it to flower and change this text to F and go to Insert, go to Video, go to Stock Videos, select the flower video, click on Insert and click on right button and send it to back. Now select the rectangle, hold down the Shift key and select the text box. Go to Shape Format, Marge Shape, click on Subtract and go to Shape Effect, go to Shadow, make it inside center. Now go my third slide, write here Ocean and select this text and write here O. Now go to Insert, go to Videos, go to Stock Videos, select the video of the ocean, select this one and click on Insert and make sure it is also playback automatically and loop until stopped and click on right button and send it to back. Now select the rectangle, hold down the Ctrl key and select this text box, go to Shape Format, Marge Shape and click on Subtract and go to Shape Effect, Shadow, inside center. Now I have to use the transition. Now select this one, hold down the Ctrl key, select this shape and this one also. Now go to transition, go to here and click on blinds and let me watch the slideshow from my very beginning slide. This is looking very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. This one also amazing. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.